the music video no and meaning say inspirational, say a chronovital, say inspo. I mean, but let's look at this part of music video. And if you are going to a man in New York by and saying I roll him and to we young koshe Tiwa Savage Koroba a video way. Go say yawa. Or some say minister Nkwa. Now we are on so girl near friend of Fansana na and about you. Sika about music industry mobile and this car swap. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon. Baby Biara Owa share here from China here. Na Emma war be brave because Meti Hanum is here. Benkubia media Ashemeso. I'm never to know. Like before I start, you know, people was like, how am I going to like talk? Because he's you like Menguna Damiso. As now, many Benku sausage could see actually. And the fish could Jane name Mukokakra. Was also about mineral water, 1.5 liter half. A gusso. Namiditi Hanu say, they are more, they are more drink. Adriana, TV presenters, Omudianza, all my TV swana. Ibia, Stasandi be a guy, Odi, there's our TV so. Biana wanted to Contebia Mene, Timakun Kumiana, answer by no, Wakope, Ufotin Timbi. Odiye yana oba TV so they are more men they are more drink they go for Eddie and some about TV so na and we get story for another day but and there and semono ye be come pa to pa mama kan say Penamai Cosmetics a skincare brand almost so as in the pan ye Penamai Cosmetics there omo ye honam any ready ye e ho adwuma paye for omo shower gel omo samina for face omo cream and omo lotion for ma omo sa e black cologne perfume hingam na who use one hingam no e ma mema any pink candy I man so di go omo ho na omo ho wewe mu gina mu yi pa e wo monten so na obeka ya last week na ye ka funny face e ye ne yire ho nsem ne yire nyi nsem aba na nkofo ka na bebre ho ya social media na me brebre ho sem no bie ma obi ate ase senia e wo se ebo na ye kan sem no e me se me sheda kan sem bi ma mote ase se asem no e obi awawe mu asem e obi awo mu asem nkwala mienu e bie firi mu mazisi ya na me kasa no aye last week no oba no ye ma na osanso nyimba akosa anso ka na show ni twegu wie ye no girl no aba be wo obaba e dia ma funny face na wo share last week show ni year me said that bie mu ka say asem no ye mba betina TV so be ka no burubuda because ayo obi our we ho asem my go tie sa part of last week show no na ye mbra na ye nto aso na ensem yi wo no ye tie ensem na ye bie ensem ni mu no na ye hwe ni ye because seven previous away e obi ari asem bia na e na meti ha make asem bi ochina o ma sam bo mu fie na o mo twe mo mpra na me na me tell some no ye baka ne plan so na we aha enti no won say ya last week me man asem no nyina gugu ye no this week asem no asem not 10 it's this week I didn't say 10 ye ka say funny face re no awo oba ba fine e dia kantafo ella and bella e hu dadada e dia ma funny face no in 2 years when tumi ebuna topa awo ma miensa kama pa na asemu a e ma mewe bi ensem imu enu so ye say funny face e yere wu wie ye no funny face I forget si bibia ni depression no he nkofo mpo mu twa no chese mpo anu anu nam nyina no wajai funny face say the yere no e be say onu ofra the whole mass no the body chena funny face e ready So we have prayer. After Kumasi Kronisu na from Batati to the Inchra. Funny face of a pra. Na answer na near the Bewono. Yemfa abasebod ye kakra emfama enkofo binimu amedie mani yagani me who say funny face depression mode mu no omuko ni fie ekogigi nani kama mama ni je pa me who say Zion Felix eko funny face fie ene ne ko I mean oko share cry ko eko share ne kena kakra me who say Aisha Modi who's sister Yinsu a se si ade upo as like by force celebrate you or in who na say ya say or no ka 12 pro max or say or no kan no matobi e mana madam for Alfred crash on was 12 pro ni su bi at 12 pro no say ya ota na ayeden oh and yeah you could have for other go enko and almost me do here kan kwasasem yeah one could have 12 pro and yeah then today incident and must me bodam ye na me who say saga yo sata diga from the din kanu muda oh guy we kind of this picture na bobo me kind of be saga on so me who say ajize eso eko hono bi I think that it's nice that they are helping people who are depressed. Na yebeda edem fair enso swase say onu so abie edem fair foundation omo the depression and anxiety for fam ye edem fair aya de pa na edem fair depression and anxiety must say be say edem fair akoto fie yes what to fie by na me say either say wakwaje deals be and now say girl ni openi bi a oda one of these TV stations quotes I only say be there assemblation me have be I mean so what I say na yada omo call funny face e hono no asiye pa na ka mesimeka Aisha Modi ne sa akodi asem bi o kan de tu but wo de yembo hwi na yen kai mo say ZPay mobile money wallet no still enkofo AUC e ma enkofo so register ne kama pa ZPay no e se de bia mbati bi su be kan wonsem na wonnim adekora eya me sansu boho biem ZPay no edumeku a mobile money it's in a number na ekura wona sa wo number na ukuta na eno a but ube register we are obi send you scar catch and say on sending ko ZPay it's in who register no nipa no be register registration code no *270 hash me boss be *270 hash now with your register you hear no voters ID driving license NHIS card be valid bia ubet media ye na ZPay ne denti ankofo eba so ne say ZPay bia wo so a woni wunia ono so ZPay so send this ka komo ho a eye free ZPay so no emman ne say network so awo say bia wo network blue and network red and network yellow emfa ho network bia wo send this kana eko ZPay so no wo san wo so a to me just send the airtime echo all over the world. Now, to me just send this guy through Africa to every African country. The ZPay in the Aye Palma and go we bring now so baswa register and also was and you have to have friend say hello, my send whisker into the patch of for ZPay there a *270 hash. Now why freedom is bushy. Hajia for real. Slave queen extraordinaire. Mami jampran to do pana. Warrior video vixen. Now or see business woman. Now or fly con Nigeria high class. Alaji for no musiesia no ye business deals. Now say ya whiskey video Tokyo. Girl I go take you to Tokyo. Girl I go take you to London. Girl I go take you to no woman Niger. Video vixen things. What did you know whom papa and panja? Guess your more video vixen we wait more by. Now I say like I said ye danda ya ho ye tutu ne ya basani ye Haja for real ABA shop set for real kids eye nkwala enyoma na oton wo hono mu yi Haja for real ewura studio Emma Haja for real abonum I for real abonum na girl no ever say when ya some energy any bia efusuo kakra because who can say girl no was kid educated pictures bia meaning say was kid ne car so onya nyumu say shatawa ne car so onya nyumu but media meaning say na downful any a girl we afia it meaning say afia so na e ma no vim so a but Haja for real abonyum say better than and see nobody way better than me better than and see nobody way better than me e be no musi Haja for you boy e die auto tune him from A to Z na no kre no ni video now or the car nyum no the bar out no eye fe ankasa eno nko ade me fancy almost see so musical artist o ga ko hanu music kwampo na wo forget it go bua kunso kunkun because yen say dan hu say girl la eja slave queen efri mu utumi be music video no Oma yet say there is art and there is artistic. Utuma who say you creative and you creativity. Utuma who say you slave queen and you slave queenivity. Haja for real, I receive ban with the music video no. Now I say like girl no, ebo no. Also a live launch of the video. Also we no. And now I say was also shut down most of the musicians because I think say it was within the times now or releasing a video no and I say according to release on this Zlatan no. Not to say anything bad about according to Zlatan's video, but it looks like Haja for real did some overshadowing. I mean, someone when him say overtaking is allowed. Overtaking is allowed. I'm not there. Because the baby is a worry. Bent what they pass. Afala Oman Mammy Ajono. Bent what empana to that. Intino say Haja for real say for there big, but still say ordinary remove. Ordinary and the lunch and so ye papa AFF or fresh at a wally, Sister Deborah, a fear, Coco Shree. I said, like, or the man so about to get a pan. Just say the music video, no, and meaning say inspirational, say a chrono vital, say inspo. I mean, but let's look at this part of music video. And if you are country a man say free New York by na say ya ro hu hima enso ti wi na girls yi ekra say Vogue ayi omo ko sa Vogue and aso mu ready and aso omo ti hairdressing ha video na etwegu no me sorry say me mfa enyom na nto ase empacho YouTube painting no ene Adom TV ti emfa enyom na nto ase ba de man visuals ne sa mu he part ya e feel the three girls yi bo ayi now fe mo go back yen ko hwe Tiwa Savage Koroba a video we I like the same thing big akra I the same thing kakra you bro get so like I just small I just but I'm jamona hey and you talk about I'm Queen M, I'm the Mona. You see me in the owner. I see it, I buy it, I like it, I try it. Queen M, I'm the show ya. Amen. Nah, yes, I saw Kosha Omale, the video down. Now you're sending your girls next one more. Omu ready Dior. Now omu ready Forbes. Now omu ready Vogue. Now just for those video much and also like the same thing as also the more happy. But I like how she was able to do like different scenes. Baby, I know say pink ya. Kelvin Saint, so three me fit na papa go see na ase. Onu jide mo no wo nu three me. E ho ye first hairdressing scene no. Baby, na original cars 4 ne won mansion ni mu no. E no fie elite brother than emoji beat and a produce beat no. After so baby, na o tika ne so no. Very nice. And I was also be a mirror on the wall. Who is the baddest of them all? I'm Haja for real. You see out here. And also so a musical artist. Yeah, welcome Haja for real into the musical fraternity. Mona for real. I Haja for real. Why are there pa maka. Yeah, call me kwaji enkraso. Me di edi obumpa. What Africa particular American made in China. Me na me di dumedi everywhere. But here it's from China. Now you will YouTube at China's Avenue. Follow me. I will my social media at Nana Made in China. Now you need to some more. Now say no Snapchat and so now say ya baso kakra. I also Nana Made in China. TikTok Nana Miruku. Aha. Now bet me so call www.nanamadeinchina.com. Now I can register for I Act with China. Yes, start here acting classes now on 19th of December 2020. Now me sure Obia. God bless Ghana. Okay, say election bring and I hear run when you know you never to your boss. Na ye the Ghana at you nimu kind. Opa kona konto wamba neko fee straight. I rush for peace. Let me show.